Hello, my name is Mary Nyaroy. Come take a walk with me as I share Bloody Thought, this Women's Health Month. If you are an investor or you have lots of money lying around and you do not know what to do with it apart from investing in artificial intelligence, here's what I want you to do with your money. I want you to divert your money in women's health, research, and science. And why do I say this? Just recently, PCOS, which is the polycystic ovarian syndrome, was given a landmark reclassification to the polyendocrine metabolic ovarian syndrome. PCOS, just like endometriosis, affects millions of women around the world. And women's health, by the way, is grossly underfunded and grossly under-researched. So if you want to make the greatest return on investment, invest in women's health, because women make half of the world's population and you'll be making a meaningful contribution to the society, and we all came from women.